Hi, Mama. This one is for you. I want to talk about something that really nobody says out loud. The fact that motherhood, especially in those early years, puts you in a constant mode of fight or flight mode. So, मैं इस बारे में इसलिए बात कर रही हूँ क्योंकि आज मैं सुबह सैरी कर रही थी. I was having a bowl of सेवई and instead of having enjoying it nicely, I had time also. But what I did was poured chilled milk in it, so that I can slurp it really quick and then do offer my namaz and go back really quick back to my kids. Why इतना जल्दी जल्दबाजी किस बात की है यार? मतलब मुझे लगता है हम लोग का दिमाग है ना, माओं का, हर टाइम अलर्ट मोड पे है कि नहीं ये करना है, बच्चा सो रहा है तो जल्दी जल्दी काम निपटाने हैं, एंड बच्चा नहीं सो रहा तो ऑब्वियसली फिर तो करना ही है सब कुछ क्विकली. मतलब just we have forgotten how to slow down. Even when the baby is napping, the house is still, no one needs you. Your mind, it's still rushing. You don't know what to do. मतलब ऐसा लगता है अच्छा अब ये कर लेती हूँ, अब वो कर लेती हूँ. 2 मिनट बैठ जाओ सुकून से. सेट नॉइज इन योर माइंड. फिजिकल नॉइज तो ऑब्वियसली है ही, बट जो माइंड में नॉइज़ है ना, उसको थोड़ा सा स्लो डाउन करो, उसको शांत करो, and then enjoy your chai and coffee. So that's what I wanted to remind you, that it's okay, mothers. You really need to slow down sometime. Even when you get time to slow down, slow down. Don't rush. It's okay. I just want to remind you, mothers, that it's okay to slow down. Take some time, even if it's 2 minutes for yourself, and yes, just wind down, relax. नहीं यार, इतना जल्दबाजी मचाने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. इट्स ओके. इफ़ योर बेबी इज़ napping or someone is watching them for you and you are going to take a bath, do not rush. It's okay. You can put on conditioner, you can put on shampoo and body scrubber and everything. You can take a bath, you can extend your bath for 15 minutes. That is what I am talking about. So yes, so these little moments, they are small but they are yours. So take them, and you deserve to be in them, in those quiet moments. Just be there fully. You are a person, and that person deserves peace too. So yeah, that's it. And today is Friday. Happy Friday, and offer your prayers in peace. Friday prayers, especially if you have some little time for yourself, you can offer your prayers in peace. And that's it. See you next Friday with some other topic maybe. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.